Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just an updated brand new video showing you some COD mobile redeem codes that you can use right now in 2025, and this is how to get free CP in COD M. And you can get free COD points, guys. You can get 10,000 of them, and this is a simple redeem code working right now. And yeah, basically guys, when you get your code, you can enter it into the COD Mobile Redemption Center website, where you have to enter in your user ID and your code that you're going to get from this video, and then it's going to supply you with 10,000 free COD points. Super simple, guys. This is also working on Black Ops 6, Warzone, and what have you. So let's get into the tutorial, and you need to use your mobile phone. I recommend just using the mobile that you play COD Mobile on. If you don't play COD Mobile, just pick up your mobile phone anyway. Open up the internet browser and go to www.coldcoupons.com. Now, make sure you do type it correctly, guys, and go directly to this website. When you reach this website, they have probably 100, maybe 200 different pages. So what you're going to want to do is go to the search bar at the top here, and in that search bar, just search for COD M. Alternatively, you can just search for Call of Duty, and you just need to basically find this page here, guys. As you can see, this is a page containing a couple of different redeem codes, and this does actually work for Warzone, Black Ops 6, Modern Warfare, not only COD Mobile. So if you scroll down, this is the code that we're focusing on, guys. You can get 10,000 free COD points, and all you need to do, guys, to get your code is click on Get Code, and you can see there's currently 300 redeem codes remaining, and they're verified working, guys. So click on Show Full Code. And this is going to search, basically allocate you one of these codes that you can use. It takes a few seconds to find one. And here we go. So it says here, your code is ready. The code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So essentially, guys, if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you do need to unlock your code. As you can see, your COD mobile redeem code is currently locked. And basically, guys, this prevents people from stealing all of these codes and getting unlimited COD points. You can only get one code for 10,000 free CP. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this code unlocker. Now just follow the instructions on this page. It is pretty easy, guys. It says complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions. So you're going to have a list of tasks. They're all completely free. They're always going to be completely free, and you just need to complete 2 of them, and make sure you do read the description that tells you how to complete them. Pretty easy, guys. Just follow the instructions. It'll take a few minutes, and if you do everything correctly, your COD mobile redeem code will say unlocked, and you can grab it from the box. I've already done this previously, and it does limit 1 code per person. So if you do this, if you want to do this a second time, you've got to use a secondary device. But yeah, so you can do this multiple times. You just need to do this on a different phone. So yeah, anyway, guys, that is how to do it. Just grab your code, and then you can redeem it in the redemption center, where I showed you previously on this website here. So you'd enter your code that it shows and your user ID, and then complete that quick verification there. So really easy, guys. And yeah, that is how to get free CP in COD M. A really easy method. You just got to head on over to Cold Coupons and just follow the instructions that you've seen in this tutorial, guys. So any questions, feel free to ask them down below. Smash the like button and subscribe, and that is how to get free CP in COD M using redeem codes in 2025. Peace out.